Namaste, I am Nagarjuna. I'm a yoga teacher working in Dubai. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now we'll see how to do Surya Namaskar. Please don't attempt the Surya Namaskar without doing proper warm up. If you like this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us get started. Stand with your feet together, palms together at the center of the chest. As you inhale, raise the hands up, bend backwards. As you exhale, bend forward. Place your palms on either side of your feet, touch your head to the knees. As you inhale, get your right leg back, look up, arch your back. As you exhale, take your left leg back, come to plank position. Drop your knees, chest, chin down, tuck your elbows, raise the hips. Inhale, raise your upper body, look up. As you exhale, raise the hips like a mountain, press your heels down, compress your shoulders. Inhale, get your right leg forward, look up. Exhale, left leg forward, touch your head to the knees. Inhale, bend backwards. Exhale, come to Pranamasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, Asvasanchalanasana. Exhale, Santulanasana. Hold the breath, Ashtanga Namaskar. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Exhale, Parvatasana. Inhale, Asvasanchalanasana. Exhale, Pada Hastasana. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Pranamasana. Do this Surya Namaskar at slow or medium pace for at least 12 rounds. You can increase the rounds as per your requirements. The benefits of this Surya Namaskar are it strengthens and tones all the muscles, it improves flexibility of the body, it acts as a good cardio workout, it helps in attaining good hormonal balance, it improves digestion and promotes weight loss, it increases energy and awareness levels. It enables better absorption of nutrients, thereby improving the vital functions of a body. It reduces mood swings and brings more emotional stability. It improves your skin's glow. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.